Hello everyone. So here I have updated the bicycle riding system that I implemented into Unreal Engine 5.3. So as an additional feature, I have added sounds also into the system. Now as you can see, when the player is pedaling, you can see the change in the sound like this, and once I release, you can see that neutral sound you usually get in bicycles. So yeah, so actually in the tutorials I didn't do a tutorial for the sound part. So basically this part is that takes care of this sounds. So here we have this engine sound component, which already comes from wheeled vehicle pawn, because this is a subclass of chaos vehicle. And for the sound, this is what I have created. So here we have the neutral sound, this one, and then here I have the sound that when we actually pedal. So these two sounds are crossfaded by using this force parameter, by using crossfade by param node, and I set that parameter here. So I use the engine throttle input because when I press move input button, this becomes 1, and when I release it, this becomes 0. So that's why I have used that throttle input to crossfade between the neutral sound and the pedaling sound. And the other thing is continuous modulation. So this is used to change the pitch of the whatever the sound that comes from this. So when we are going slow, the pitch will be lower. When we are going faster, pitch will be high. So, and also I modulate the sound as well using the same system, because when the bicycle is not moving, we should not get any sound, not even in a lower pitch. So that's why I use the same parameter to modulate volume as well. So it changes between 0 and 1, and that I set here. So I basically get the forward speed and absolute value and divide it by 1000. By doing this, I can get some value in between 0 and 1 and set float parameter. That's all I have done as for the sounds, and that's pretty much it for the 5.3 update. And this is what you have as the end result. And all other things that you see here, including the animations, which is run by a control rig, and the bicycle animations and everything, I have covered in the tutorials. Here is the full playlist. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to watch this from the beginning. And as always, you can download the updated project files from my Patreon page for the membership. So not just this file, when you become a member, you can download all the projects of all 1600 something videos that I have done to the date. So feel free to check it out, and thank you.